Hey now, CarlTheMadman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'm with Foxy the Fearless. We're on our way to work. The rain has lightened up a little bit. But man, did it ever rain hard for the last, I don't know, 18 hours. Sure glad it was rain and not snow, or it would have looked like last year's videos at this time. Anyways, let's go to work. So gorgeous out there today. It's like +6 Celsius. What is that, like 42 Fahrenheit? Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, groundhog. It's gift day today. Gift. It's easier to find an anvil than to find a floor vise. Awesome. So much for my nice spring weather. A nasty little rainstorm just blew through. What a weird day weather-wise. But I got a floor vise. I am so happy to finally get a hold of one of these vices. I was never expecting to get one quite this heavy duty, so I'm extra happy. It's mine forever, but I'm not allowed to sell it. If I ever don't want it anymore, I gotta give it back to the guy who gave it to me. Fair enough. Have a look at this bad boy. As you can see, it's got some character marks, but that's fine with me. It's gonna take some figuring on how to mount that floor vise. That's not gonna happen tonight. Tonight, it's time to cook, because I'm starving. Starving!